An estimated 200 million tons of plastic are present in the ocean. In the not too distant future, it is estimated that there will be more plastic in the ocean by weight than fish. While this pollution is a problem everywhere, ocean currents create a number of slow-moving vortices where plastic waste accumulates. While there are vortices of plastic waste in the North Atlantic, the South Pacific, and the Indian Ocean, the greatest percentage of the plastic waste is in the North Pacific, forming the, quote, Great Pacific Garbage Patch, although it technically has two centers, one between southern North America and Hawaii, and one off of the coast of Southeast Asia. This plastic waste causes a number of problems. For example, plastic bags, especially once they begin to degrade, look a bit like jellyfish, and some sea turtles feed on jellyfish and therefore can choke on the plastic waste that they attempt to ingest. There are many other examples of animals which can choke on plastic or get caught in plastic. Not only, say, plastic rings which surround beverage six-packs, but also a sizable amount, perhaps the greatest amount, of plastic waste in the ocean is composed of old fishing nets. In addition, however, reactions with light energy cause many plastics to break into smaller and smaller pieces, known as microplastics. These microplastics are very hazardous. One, as they accumulate, they actually block sunlight, which will then limit the photosynthesis in the ocean and decrease the productivity of food chains. But then secondly, they can be ingested by animals which take in small food particles. And some microplastics are small enough to be absorbed into tissues and enter bloodstreams. And so thus they can then enter the food chains. And so it is possible that very large percentages of the aquatic food chains will be contaminated by microplastics in the near future.